to my channel, and today I have a haul for you. I ordered from Nicole Alexia Designs and Erica G Designs. Well, technically Nicole and I did a swap, so I'm excited. She released the prettiest kits and I am so excited. So this is Showers and March Mystery. I'm so excited for these, you guys have no idea. So let's do Showers first. I'll move the other one. So she does foiled kits and they are amazing. So it comes with glitter headers. This is full kit. I asked for mini because I use mini kits, but I feel like that's now overexposed. And then we have headers, date covers and dates. I believe these are gonna be add-ons if I'm not mistaken. But look how pretty this is. I've ordered from her before and her foiling has always been amazing. I love this so much. She did such a good job on this kit. I just really think it's so super sweet. And then we have the kind of functional page, double sidebar, which I always like. Little headers, headers. Why do I keep saying headers? And this is too bright for this kit. Flags, the Hello Weekend, I thought was super cute, really unique. And then we have the boxes. Can never have enough boxes. Headers and littles. Finally got to say headers and it actually be correct. And then we have ombre boxes and some functional items. And then the bottom washi. And she foils her dates, which is great. I think it's just so pretty. So yeah, that is the Showers kit. So this came out for April, obviously April showers. So I just love this. I always put the full boxes forward so I know what I'm looking at in my kit. So now we have March Mystery, which is beautiful, and I didn't order that stuff, so she put some extra stuff in there. Thank you. I'm gonna lighten it back up, and I'm gonna zoom in because, you know. So these are the samples that are going out, and it looks like she gave them all to me, so I'm not mad at it. How cute. I love these. I've been debating bringing some foiled ones of these out. Not quite like this. They're, it's complicated to try to explain it, but these are so cute, but it would be like full header. That may be full header size. And it is. This looks like a pink one. Pink and purple. Purple and gray. This is so pretty. Gray and pink. I love this color scheme. Pink and blue. Always a good combo. Pink, pink, pink. This is purple and teal. Or like minty. And then that kind of minty and that pink. So thank you for all these extras. They will definitely be used because these are so cute. And this one really spoke to me. So this was the kit that I was like, I loved the April Showers kit, but I saw like the sneak, I think it was these three, it was something like that. It was some of the boxes and it was so pretty. But here we are, we have the date covers and date dots. This is the extra that she puts in with Mystery Kit. So Hello Weekend, the workout, which awesome. And then glitter headers. And then the amazingness. I love it so much. So 6, 7. So that gives you 7 full boxes that are foiled and then 2 that are not. And I think that goes for this as well. Yes, so it's 7 that are foiled. So essentially, one of them won't be foiled in your spread, which is fine. Then we have a little bit of deco up here, and then functional stuff. Then we have the headers and littles, and then the what are these called? Half boxes. And then the bottom washi. I love how simple this is. See, I asked for the mini kit because that's how I plan. So this is perfect. I love it so much. And this is actually a really great addition, especially if you like work out. Like you don't necessarily have to do work, you could do like work out from this time to this time. So that I feel like is not necessarily work, like work, because I work every day. So, you know, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Nicole, and I hope you love what I sent as well. And then we have Erica G Designs, which you guys know, she is my planner, BFF. I'm running out of F's to open this. Get it? Okay, that was probably really lame. So so she does See Me Draw vinyls. Now, so you can see she makes it so it's stable. I saw a invoice, so I did not want that to be shown. And I ordered mine in silver. Oh, she sent me an extra one because it ripped, so my last name ripped because I got my first and last name. So she does vinyls for See Amy Draw. Now you have to buy, okay, I feel like people are failing hard on this. You have to buy the actual rights to the name. So Amy will draw them, and then once you get it from Amy, then you can purchase from Erica and actually have your vinyls printed. Where I feel like a lot of people are just like thinking that it includes the See Me Draw like name, which it doesn't, even though it says it like 8 times on her listing. I gave her some advice to change it, so hopefully she changes it. I think she will, but it came with a little die cut. I love that it's like perfect for spring. And then she sent vinyl instructions, which is really smart because I didn't send any out with mine. So yeah. And then we have a little, oh cute. Oh, and she sent me more than one. So these are, oh how precious. Okay, I'm totally doing that. You get to put her logo down and save it. How cute. And then collect 5, $15 shop credit. Obviously gonna do that. Oh, she sent me some of her new ones. Oh my god, she's so sweet. This I thought was so cute. This planner nerd with the little bow. Love this. This is her gold, her metallic gold. Don't quote me on this, but I think she is switching her golds. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me. So this is the one that ripped, so she just sent me the first name. But I ordered in silver because you can't go wrong with silver or gold. And then this is the one that I had ordered, which is, this is all a metallic. I don't know if you're going, yeah, you can kind of see. It's like a brushed aluminum is probably the better way to put it. So this is her silver. The gunmetal is the one I wanted and it was sold out. And then this is the gold. This may be her new gold, that it's still that brushed. This is so cute. I'm so excited to put these in my planner. And See Amy Draws obviously does fantastic hand lettering, because she hand lettered all this. So the funny thing is with this contact paper actually has the grid on it. So she has a video on how to do these vinyls. You need to watch it if you've never used vinyls before. But the contact paper has the grid paper. I know, is that gonna show up? And I am terrible at getting things straight, and I applaud her for having this because it is a terrible thing for me. Mine look like that, where it's clear. So those are my goodies that I got from Erica and Nicole from Nicole Alexia Designs, and then Erica G Designs. So designs everywhere, right? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.